If you listen to just one song, you earn $5. If it's 2 songs, I'll make about $10. Listen to 10 songs and you get paid $50 over and over again. And as you can see, as of right now, I have already made about $700 on this platform. Just imagine what it would feel like to get paid to listen to music. Here is how to do it. First thing you will need to do is to go to pixabay.com, and on their website, I want you to click on this button that says Explore and then click on Music. And that will take you to this page here where you can find royalty-free music to download. As you can see, there is over 80,000 free music tracks that you can download for free and earn money. You could also search for a specific artist, a song, genre, or music to listen to if you are in a certain mood. And you can also find here music for videos, music for YouTube videos, vlog music, background music, film music, and so on. And if you scroll down a little bit here, you can see all of these different types of music to listen to. If you scroll down here, you can see that this website has got all these music tracks that you can download onto your device. You won't have to pay for these, and there is no limit to the number of songs you can download for free. We're not going to be just listening and downloading songs on this website. Actually, I'm going to show you an interesting trick that you could use on this website, and you'll be able to make earnings like these ones on a daily basis over and over again. There is proof that this method will work for you. This person here just earned $15 doing this. This one here just got paid $35 today. Another one just made $65 today, and this one here made over $115. And the list goes on of people that are currently earning money every single day using this method. Just imagine how much money you will make in total if you are getting daily payments like these into your account. If you're going to listen to at least 50 to 100 songs every single day, this method is very simple to follow, and even if you are a beginner and you have never made any money online before, you'll be able to do this. So be sure you have your smartphone ready or your laptop that you can follow along. But before we get started, be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for the latest make money online videos, ideas, tips, and tricks. Okay, so on this page, there are literally hundreds and thousands of songs that you will be seeing. We're not going to be simply downloading any songs that we see here. I'm going to show you some special tips that I use that would help you to make even more money. There is actually a lot of different songs that you can find here on Pixabay Music, and each of these songs can make you $5 for every single song that you listen to over and over again. So what you're going to simply do is to come here and then press this play button, and the song is going to start playing. You can listen to the song until the end, and then if you discover that you like it and if you think other people will enjoy it too, then you can move on to the next step of this method. But if you don't like it, and probably other people might not like it too, then simply leave it and try to find other songs. For this tutorial, let us search for pop music in the search bar. I'm going to use this example because pop music is very popular, and it is most likely that you will be able to quickly make some money using this genre. Now, just like before, let us click on this button to listen to the music. I will just play a few seconds of the song right here and see if it is a good pop song. If you ask me, I think this is a cool track, and I might enjoy listening to it over and over again. Next, click on the download button right here and then download the song onto your computer. We want to do this at least several times, listening to these songs, selecting the ones that we think are nice to listen to, and then downloading them onto your laptop in preparation for the next step. Remember here that the more songs that you listen to and the more songs you download, the more money you are going to be making. So I advise you to spend a bit more time on this step, listening to these songs and downloading the ones that you like the most. The next step is to go to this website here called up-forever.net. Up-forever is a free website that is going to pay us money to share our music files. Now, I know you might be asking yourself, but what if many people download the same song and upload it onto this website? How are we going to get paid? Well, the good thing about putting your work on the internet is that you have no limitation of traffic. Millions of people from all over the world are looking for tracks like these, and we're not going to be getting traffic from the same source as everyone. As it says right here on their homepage, we can upload our files safely, and we can withdraw the profits from various payment methods, or you can choose to convert these profits into other products. The way that this system works is that when someone downloads your file that you have uploaded onto their website, they will be shown some ads which they can choose to skip or watch, and this platform is sharing that ad revenue with you, and that's how both you and this platform are going to be making money. Let me show you a real live example of how you can multiply your earnings, but before we do that, remember to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel and comment your country name below so that I can keep making more videos that work in your area. Now let us get back to making money. money. By the way, the sign-up process is very simple, and it will take you less than a minute to complete. All you have to do is to click on the sign up button, and that will take you to this page where you will need to enter some basic info about yourself, like your username, password, and your email address. And then just click on this button to confirm you are not a robot, and then click on sign up. And once you create an account and log in, you'll be taken to the dashboard that looks like this. Now, I want you to click on this button that says Make Money to see how this website works and how we're going to use this website to make money. As you can see, they will give you the best pricing around the world. And from this table down here, you can find out how much you're going to be paid, and that depends on where the most of your downloads will be coming from. For example, if most of your downloads are coming from Tier 4 countries, you'll get paid $3. If you have downloads from Tier 2 and Tier 3 countries, you'll earn $4. And if you get downloads from Tier 1 countries, you'll get paid $7. And if you scroll down here, you can see all of these different payment methods that you can use to withdraw your money. You can use PayPal, Payeer, With Money, Perfect Money, Pay Sierra, Advanced Cash, or you can select any of these other payment methods. And by the way, the minimum payout is just $1 if you prefer to withdraw your earnings on PayPal. And you can hover your mouse over any of these different payment methods to see the minimum payout. And as soon as you reach their minimum threshold, you can withdraw all your money. And as you can see here, they have about 5 ways that you can make money from this website. And the one that I like the most is this one here, where we will be able to sell these files through this website with a price that I get to set, and I get to earn every time someone downloads my files. Let me log into my account so that I can show you how you can do this step by step. And as you can see here, we managed to make over $700 just by listening to music and share it on this website using this exact same method that I'm showing you right here in this step-by-step tutorial. I've also shared my referral link with other people on Facebook groups and on my social media accounts, and today I've gotten about 79 people that joined this platform through my link to start earning money as well. The good thing about these referrals is that I get to make a profit every time my referrals earn money. I get paid at least 10% of their earnings every single time, which earns me passive income while I'm sleeping and relaxing. In order to set this up, go over to the left-hand side here, and you can see all these features that you have in your dashboard. Click here where it says Upload Files, and on the next page, click on Choose File and just upload one of these songs that you downloaded from Pixabay. You can write the description of the song in here and then make sure that it is set to public. After that, click on Start Upload in order to upload your files. After your files have been uploaded, click on this pencil icon in order to set your desired price. I'm just going to type $5 as the price for the song. So whenever someone downloads this song, I'll get paid $5 per song downloaded from this website. Now, once the file is uploaded, they'll be placed on this website where people can find your song and download it. And as you can see here, this website gets over 6.2 million visitors per month. So imagine if you could get just 100 downloads per day to your song. That's an easy $500 per day by just uploading one song. Now, all you have to do is to repeat this process for as many songs as you want to upload, making sure that you first listen to these music tracks to see if they are good songs or not. Now, if you want me to show you my withdrawal proof from this website and show you how much money I earned using this method that helped me get over 1,000 likes on this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.